Remove the cooling lubricant container from the machine and note its maximum fill level. In this case it is 3000 milliliters, 3 liters. To get a 10% mixture of cooling lubricant and water in a tank with 3000 milliliters, you need 300 milliliters of cooling liquid. The remaining 2700 milliliters consist of ordinary tap water. So fill the tank with 2.7 liters of water. The water hardness should not exceed 14 degrees. If it is too hard, add some distilled or demineralized water. The cooling liquid universal shall be added to a previously filled quantity of water, not the other way round. Measure now 300 milliliters of cooling liquid in the measuring cup and add it to the water that has already been filled to the container. You see, it mixes well. Other applications sure require mixing ratios different to our example. Please urgently follow the instructions on the cooling lubricant canister. Insert the sieve again and note the fill level. Exactly 3 liters with 10% cooling liquid inside. All information for use is given in the brochure Cooling Lubrication Fluids. Please follow the QR code.